come and rescue me. The same Frank, non saga e Sharon Waragno. Non ti a shawo, non ti any. We very ma Sharon hate ya dunisha e Frank Iveroma. Mon si e Sharon mavejo. We don't know si Sharon was bent on spending her last money to make sure Frank is like her. She made calls. She went to police. We're going to Roma. Direct. Mohammed, we don't know. Now we are going to beg. Don't know. No need. The video will still be on Sharon's phone right now. We're not going to review whoever or where he will because we got social media validation. We don't work Mr. Smart in Iraq. Or befriend the way or information that the office said it to go the woman information here. We don't go as a woman who lock up because of Waguna. And we don't know where Jenna. Or when I say, all la not rule with Frank before you know everything escalates. Again, I'm going to Sagali. Don't go, what makes it go? And they even tell me I go use Sharon platform to reply. Sharon platform to reply. And now, well, I didn't do it. At the end, they ran to Frank. They ran to him. But still, this woman not still leave me. He not still leave my mom. I know they threaten you. I know they dare you. But I tell you, say, if Frank do one more video, insult my mama, one lie to lie. Salobwa, you go see me for police station. I go report you. I talk up for big front of all. If Frank do one more video, insult my mama, I go report you to police. Again, and I will be that way. One more video from Frank, no Kajime, I will report you to police. All the videos were recorded all presenters recorded I have all of them. My pictures are on it. My mother's pictures are on it. That is pure evidence. And your sister's voice is on it. Some day when Frank, when not talk to Frank, your own voice dey inside. I know your voice now. Your own voice dey inside. I get those videos. I get evidence. I go ask policemen, they ask you. What I do? Already for this radio here, camera there everywhere. They see me and your pikin, they walk up and down together. They know where I be. That day we go bury. I will never even enter inside service of song. They don't shout. If journalists come, wanna not talk, wanna not talk. Waiting una they hide. Waiting una they hide. We don't want me people talk. We go service of song. We go service of song. We go service of song. And so they talk. We never even enter. If journalists come here, if police come here, if they ask me a question, Mona not talk, Mona not talk, Mona you keep quiet, Mona not talk. What's not they hide? Wait, no want me police here or me journalists here. Now una sue hospital, una sue them millions of euro. Pikin where you all you die, they sue hospital say na hospital na buy your pikin. It dey newspaper. I bet me bring that newspaper come. It dey newspaper. It dey newspaper. Now go sue hospital say now hospital buy una pikin without you not get evidence. Hospital buy your pikin, you not still keep quiet, maybe because you not still keep quiet, maybe for fight the case. You see the saga people on top. People you know say they go call interview. Definitely they go call. They go interview me now. Before they pass radio, they must come and ask, come interview me. They must come ask me question. Upon all, you not still let us rest. You see, they say your puppy may come. I will service of something now. I go have here. Emani kekere ade. Eya ewere ne. Eya ewere ne. But a puppy we ma ewere. May we not talk. May we not talk. Which one they hide? One mama will talk. We go talk all of them. We go talk all of them. I buy the newspaper. I see them. You know, for your mind, now anything they go on easy, not they see them. I bought the newspaper. You sue hospital. Millions of euro. Say now then buy your pikin. Pikin where you not follow go hospital. Pikin where you not get evidence. Pikin where ambulance come carry, you know fit drive, follow ambulance, may you know what happen to your pikin. You dey inside house, they roast suya. But you get mind, say sue hospital. See am. I'm not suicide, they lie. See am. Not see am. This now our hospital. This now my Sharon I be this. Nasian. I'm not sure say you get the newspaper, but me I get them because me I be archive. The same you the sue hospital, but you forget say you talk and say hospital don't call my friend, make she can't do operation for head for many years. She not agree go. You dey forget all those things. All those things that me and you supposed to sit down because the person really like money, you not sit down to think all these things. Say this thing where I want to do so am I on the right path? I suppose they with you will sit down because I know so much about my friend's health. Just like she know about my health. He gets some things about my health. Now only she I know among all my friends. No that person know. You forget say this same hospital already tell my friend say me she can't do operation for many years where she not agree go. Well, we even now because you not come hospital now. We asked doctor this girl fall. They say she not fall. We asked doctor she fall. They say she not fall. Any sign of fall, they say no. But still, when I go come social media, when I come, they insult my mama. For waiting my mama do. Say she open door for your pikin when you drive and come out for house. Say she help you bath your grand pikin when you not feel bath. That be my mother crime. Say she help your pikin sit down. They begin to think of how to. Say she help your pikin sit down, plan life to buy a house. That be a crime. Which one be so that she's staggering her? She has been staggering me for more than 1 month. All of you are quiet. All of you are hypocrites. For more than 1 month now. More than 1 month now. Don't they tell Frank maybe they insult person enemy. All of you they clap and they go they comment on there. Izzy is a bad friend. I don't want to have a friend like Izzy. God forbid Izzy in my life. And they talk now and they say he that is staggering because I do my body. Obaluwa Begbea, it depends on body. Infinity Saga, your page, na my name like Fulan. Wait till they insult me. Smart not be your friend, I be not your brother. The smart not be your own brother. Wak begwene. Emi na uwe do ilele do wa feya foa. Get to ware Europe. To ware Europe. Eti joke, I'm not joking, I'm not joking. Oh. Usamede idada. Justina. Usamede idada. I tell you guys, eti joke. Una go see wetin una dey find. Carabineri go come meet all of us. We go fight time because I don't tire. Don't reach here. You reach me here. I tire. Every day new story. Imagine Frank they insult him mama because of waiting. Tell me why Frank they insult him mama. Tell me why Frank they insult him mama. Why? Because wawe kamanege him not die in Roviger. We ya wawe nuje ya we banu na tie awole saga wa atinya. Umie kwe no we wotinya to bowe. Umie kwe. What the person do? Where Omago wa dota 3 days ire nu wa ti joke. O malare be kume ya ari ekuwa. Okay live video ni ti joke I'm not joking. Because mani bon all DJ me back since we radio la wo mommy si Okpamen but why were who hold the family? God forbid I go be part of it that family nene. And that's why what say we floss eru we kon ya me go come be part of it that family. Eru wa kon ya. What are the most of you eru wa mu egboto. Eru wa ruwa nisan. Eru wa ruwa nisan. You are so stupid to write that comment say leave the family. Who hold I hold the family. Not be my house like this so. You say they Sharon house. Who they Sharon house now? Not be mama. Me dead there. I be not be my house be this. I better me silent the phone. Will not be my house midday so. Which one be say leave the family? Who hold the family? Eh? Who hold the family? Who hold them? We beg be make me here. Me there for the past 1 month, I be 3 weeks. It might take me there, me wow.